Step number 1. Wet hands and apply soap. Step number 2. Rub hands together palm to palm. Step number 3. Rub back of each hands with other palm. Step number 4. Clasp the backs of the finger. Step number 5. Rub thumbs and rotate, rub them with both hands. Step number 6. Raise fingertips into palm. Step number 7. Rinse hands with water. Step number 8. Dry hands by using a clean towel.